What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Otis from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the pupil. We're going to start with two lines coming down the side. So one on the left and then one on the right. Let's round up the top, connecting the lines, going up and down, come down and up across the bottom. Now on the top left side, we're going to draw a circle for a highlight. And we want to fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Now I want to surround the pupil with a circle, but we're going to need a notch along the top left and right, and then along the bottom. So let's start at the very top. We're going to curve this up and then down. It's going to curve this down and out along the side. Round out the circle, coming all the way around towards the bottom. Again, leaving a gap in the center. And we'll round this out, coming up and down. Now I want to turn these into three bands going up and out from the center of the pupil. So we're going to start on the left side. And goes up and out, and then round out the end. Let's draw that same length lines on the right side, going out, round this out, then also across the bottom. Now let's trace this circle along the top, starting from the left side, going up and then down. Let's continue that curve. We're going to come down towards the side to right about there. Let's add a little extension along the side with the line going out. Now we want to round this out and come back in towards the bottom. I'm just going to work our way down towards the bottom, draw a short line coming in. And again, tracing that circle along the outside, just pull that in behind that band. Now on the left and right side, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down the side of the head. So let's start on the left. Straight down to right about there. It's going to line this up on the right, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to curve the head. We're going to go up, round out the head, and then bring that down. We want to do the same thing across the bottom, starting on the left, going down, and then across, and then up. Now we're going to go up to the top. We're going to curve this up and then down on the side. Come down towards the bottom, coming down and then up. And we're just going to close this off with a straight line. Now there's that hose that comes up along the top of the head. So we want to start with the end and work our way back in towards the top of the head. So let's start out here with an oval. Just going to angle this, going all the way around. And we'll just trace this along the inside. Along the top, we're going to draw a small half circle, going around. Now step back, let's draw another oval, going all the way around the base, going down and then in. From the outside of that oval, let's draw two straight angled lines going up. And then we just want to round up the end. Let's add that button across the top with a curve. I want to tuck a hose in behind. So from this point, we're going to step up, goes around, and then down on top of the head. From the top corner, we're going to step down. We just want to trace that same curve. We want to retain the same thickness all the way down. Let's add that detail on the back of the head. We're going to start up here, going up, come all the way around, and then down to right about there. Go out towards the left, round this out, and then tuck that in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We'll start on the left side. We bend this down, across, and then up. Let's add a seam, coming down, and then up. Now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the band, starting on the left side, going up, and then down. I want to trace this curve, coming all the way across the bottom, go up on the right side, and then just tuck that in. Let's add two circles on either side, starting on the left, going all the way around, and line that up on the right side. Now on the side, we're going to draw two small half circles, one along the top left, and then one on the bottom right, and just mirror this over on the right. In the center, we're going to draw two straight angle lines coming down and out, round up the ends. Now I want to add that strap going across the body towards that pouch. So I'm going to start up here, bend this down and out, draw a straight line coming down, and we'll trace that curve going back up underneath. Let's add that large pouch with an oval. So we're going to step in behind the strap, going up, out, come across the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's trace the end of the strap, going out, down, and then out. And we'll add that zipper pull. Let's start with a small circle. Trace that circle along the outside, leaving a gap across the bottom. Come down and out to the side, and it'll flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to add that zipper in behind from left to right, going in behind that pull. And then we'll add a few lines going across the inside. Now with that pouch in place, let's draw on the body. We're going to start underneath the collar, bend this out and then down. Come down towards the bottom, round up the leg, and pull that up. Let's line this up on the right side. Go out, round up the leg, we're on the same height, and then up. Now let's just round up the center, going across and then back down. Now I want to go back and add the back side of that strap, curve this in behind the body. Let's add that detail inside. So we're going to start on the left side, going up and down. Add two curves on the side, and then one coming down the bottom. Let's add another one over on the right side. I'm just going to angle this out. Now I want to tuck the feet in underneath the body, leaving a large gap in the center. Go to the left side, bend this out and then down towards the heel, and then line it up on the right side. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot. We go up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And then we'll close off the outside of the leg with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Otis from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.